friends, and welcome to Corpus Christi Public Library's Puppet Story Time. Today, I am going to be telling you the story of the 3 billy goats Gruff. Let us get started. Once upon a time, there were 3 goats. Their names were Little Billy Goat Gruff. Hello, friends. There was Middle Billy Goat Gruff. Hello, friends. And there was Big Billy Goat Gruff. Hello, friends. The goats love to eat green grass all day. Yum, yum, yum. We love to eat green grass all day. While the goats walked along, eating green grass on the ground, they found a bridge. Over that bridge was the most delicious-looking green grass they ever did see. What the goats did not know was that there was a mean troll that lived under the bridge and would not let anyone pass over the bridge, especially goats, who he loved to eat for lunch. Oh, I hear the goat troll coming now. Let me go away. Oh, I'm so hungry. I am the troll who guards this bridge. No little goat who cross over it will live. I will catch them and cook them to make me goat stew, because eating little goats is what I love to do. Let me go back under my bridge. One day, Little Billy Goat Gruff decided to cross that bridge to eat the delicious green grass on the other side. How? I am going to cross the bridge to eat the grass on the other side of the bridge. Let me walk across. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap. Ugh! I hear a goat on my bridge. Ugh! I got you now, goat, and I will cook you with carrots to make me goat stew. Oh, I am too small for your goat stew. I am not enough goat for you. But my brother, Middle Billy Goat Gruff, will come if you let me pass. He is bigger than me. The troll thought about that a little while and decided to let him pass in hopes of catching the middle goat to cook in goat stew. Okay, you can pass over my bridge today, but that brother better be on his way. And the troll went back under the bridge to wait to catch Middle Billy Goat Gruff, and Little Gruff crossed over the bridge. Middle Billy Goat Gruff was eating some delicious yellow flowers when he saw his brother, Little Billy Goat Gruff, eating the delicious green grass on the other side. Oh, look at my brother. He's over there eating that delicious green grass. I'm going to cross too. So he began to pass over the bridge. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap. Ugh! I hear an even bigger goat on my bridge. Ugh! I got you now, big goat, and I will cook you with carrots to make me goat stew. Oh, I am bigger than Little Billy Goat Gruff. This is true. But I have an even bigger brother that will go good in your goat stew. If you let me pass, I am sure he will come. for he is truly the biggest one. The troll thought about what Middle Billy Goat said, walking side to side, thinking very hard if he should let him pass. He thought. He decided to let him go ahead and pass in hopes of catching the biggest goat to cook in lamb stew. Okay, you can pass over my bridge today, but that bigger goat better be on his way. Let me go back under my bridge and wait. And the troll went back under his bridge, and Middle Billy Goat Gruff passed over. Big Billy Goat Gruff was busy headbutting the trees. Yeah, tree move. Yeah. He was practicing his headbutting skills when he saw his two brothers eating the delicious green grass. Oh, look at my brothers over there eating that delicious green grass. I'm going to cross over this bridge to go eat it too. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap. I hear the biggest of the goats on my bridge. I must be the big Billy Goat Gruff that your brothers were talking about. I got you now, biggest of the goats, and I will cook you with carrots to make me goat stew. The troll ran to catch Big Billy Goat Gruff. He began to run after him faster and faster, but he noticed that Big Billy Goat Gruff was running towards him too. Slowly the troll and Billy Goat Gruff were running towards each other, for Big Billy Goat Gruff was not afraid and said, "Troll, no more stew for you," and he headbutted him. "You are through!" And the troll went flying away. I'm gonna cross over that bridge now and go eat that delicious green grass. Tip tap, tip tap, tip tap, tip tap. Oh, so that troll flew away, and he was never seen again at that bridge. And Big Billy Goat Gruff was able to join his brothers eating the delicious green grass. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed the story of the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Join us next time at Corpus Christi Public Library's Puppet Story Time. Bye, friends!